Hello guys, today we'll show you how to create 9 YouTube subscribe and like motion graphics templates really easily with given project which you can download for free. The link is in the description. So let's get started. So first of all, when you download those templates, first you have to create sequence in Premiere Pro. I create like this, 1920 and 1080. And then don't forget to check essential graphics here. So when you download those templates, just simply drag it here, and you can change here from sort by title to recent, and here you will see your templates, and also you can upload your video on which you will put those templates. So I will put mine. So here is the video. Now you can drop these templates really easily by just dragging them here, and here it is. It's really simple. This is another one. So yeah, I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon.